Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the XO app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. XO is a social networking and dating app that connects users for meaningful relationships, friendships, or casual connections. The app offers profile customization, advanced search filters, chat features, and real-time notifications for new matches or messages. It also emphasizes safety with verification features and community guidelines to ensure a secure user experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users often praise XO for its intuitive interface, smooth navigation, and active user base. The matching algorithm and search filters make it easier to find compatible connections, while in-app communication tools allow for convenient interaction. Many appreciate the app's verification process, which helps reduce fake profiles and enhance trust among users. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Full access to premium features like unlimited swipes or advanced filters requires a subscription, which may not be affordable for everyone. Some users report occasional app crashes or slow notifications. Additionally, the quality of matches can vary depending on your location and user activity, which may affect the overall experience. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the XO app may be worth using if you're looking for a flexible social or dating platform with verified users and strong matching features. It shines in interface design, user verification, and real-time interaction. However, if premium features or local user activity are limited, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.